Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Guess the Animal Challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe before starting the test. Let's go. Which animal is this? It's a lion. Can you guess this animal? It's a pigeon. I am sure you can't guess this correct. Oh, you guessed it right. It's a deer. What about this one? Correct. It's a bear. This is a hard one. It's a panda. This is a hard one. It's a squirrel. Which animal is this? Wow, you guessed it correct. It's a zebra. This is the last question. It's a rhinoceros. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for 10 years of good luck. Take care, Allah Hafiz.